Evolution isn't just something that happens. It can be a full-on drama between species. Like, picture a butterfly and a plant, locked in an endless battle of upgrades. Like Pokemon, but with way more poison. It's called coevolution, and it's what happens when two species push each other to evolve. Over and over. The plant says, I made a chemical that tastes awful. But the butterfly, it's like, nice try. I just evolved a detox trick. Boom. Escape-and-radiate model. The plant escapes by evolving new defenses, and that opens up space for new butterfly species to adapt and thrive. Natural selection playing dodgeball. And it's not just butterflies and plants. Bacteria and viruses do it too. One mutates to attack, the other mutates to survive. It's like an evolutionary arm race where nobody ever sleeps. Plus, it's not the same everywhere. What works in one forest might totally flop just a few miles away. Welcome to the geographic mosaic of coevolution. Isn't biology just wildly extra? Nature's like, let's make survival fabulously complicated.